So we were just discussing gases exchange, uh, just giving a little overview. Gases exchange, as I just mentioned, they don't need any organ, no organ system is present in this. So they just require few types. First is cellular. Sorry, not cellular, but I was just writing cellular opening. That's stomata, which is opening and closing, which I just discussed in last video, but still I can give you overview. Second is lenticles. Third one you'll see would be roots. So stomata is simply an opening and closing, which take place on the leaf and on young stem. You also see these help in gases exchange, and you'll see that sometimes even cuticle is like a waxy substance that even help in a gases exchange and these all. So this is about stomata. Secondly, if you wanted to watch a detailed video that's even present before this video, so I suggest you that lenticles are simply pores. If this is the plant trunk and something on here, you'll see some lines and like these. So trunk have few pores, and the pores are like present on woody stem, and these involve in gases exchange. Lenticle simply means pore, by the way. Then the last is roots. Roots are simply inner part. These help in diffusion of in and out, diffusion in and out. So surface of young roots and these all. So these also help in gases exchange. Gases exchange throughout the soil, and soil like water which we provide to soil, then this gases exchange helped by diffusion. Soil, even food, and even you'll see aquatic plants. So aquatic plants have even two conditions. They get O2 dissolved in water. Then second, you'll see released of CO2 in water. So these are the conditions. I'm sure it's clear to you. The rest, what else you'll see, that the gases exchange, in unicellular, which means single cell containing organisms. So unicellular organisms, they have lower plants, and lower plants, especially like aquatic ones, which take diffusion across a moist cell, membrane, cell membrane, and wet body surface. And you'll see that surface area in such organism is greater. Surface area will increase, so surface area which is greater. Secondly, you'll see that like surface area is greater than their volume. So volume is kind of a little small. So diffusion alone is sufficient for transport. So diffusion can happen even lonely. Diffusion only can also happen throughout these all plants, and these sufficient for transport of gas only, enough for transport of gases, and gases from surface cells to inner one. And you'll see in higher plants gas exchange occur by entire surface. Higher plants require all these things, entire surface for the exchangement. And you'll see stomata, which and yes, one very important point What else you'll see? You'll see that the flowering plant exchange gases. Flowering plant. Flowering plants. These all help in the exchange gases by diffusion. Gases by diffusion through pores, and these pores are called as stomata in their leaves, which are present on the green stem. Each stomata which is formed by two modules, so it's like a kind of detail about stomata. So stomata which is formed by two modified epidermal cells. Modified epidermal bean-shaped cells. Bean-shaped. It's like bean, something like this. Bean-shaped structure is present, and their epidermal cells have guard cells, which is also a very important point. They have guard cells. They have guard cells which are simply like stomata, of course we know that, which bear chloroplast. They bear chloroplast for what? They bear chloroplast with their thicker inner and outer walls. Inner and outer walls, and stomata can be open or closed. Stomata open and close. Stomata which will be open and closed depending upon the turgidity of the guard cells. Turgidity of guard cells. Turgidity of guard cells. They will help in regulation of concentration of like sugar and potassium. K plus ions. So I'm sure it's very much clear to you. This is all about gaseous exchange. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.